Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Orca Love Light. Y'all know how we do. We're gonna jump right on into it. So y'all forgive me, I was not gonna pick up the camera today, but I'm like, you know what, yes I am. So let me just tell you about my beef. I seasoned it with Italian seasoning, oregano, a little bit of salt and pepper, and a little bit of paprika and onion powder, and a little bit of garlic powder. That is it. I also chopped up an onion because we are going to be making beef and gravy with some cauli rice, some broccoli, and about 9 carrots. Yes, don't fall out your chair. I said 9 carrots. It's going to be 9 carrots over the course of 3 days. So just calm down, calm down. You can have this. It's okay. My channel is keto and low carb, so it is okay. So y'all, to get started, I just sauteed the beef inside of this pan. I'm going to put these onions in there until they get soft, and then we're going to throw this all in a crock pot. So go ahead, y'all, get on into it, and I'll come back.
I've never had the best expectations of any man. Got my own explanations on why I'm skeptical and critical when it's good. But this time around you broke me down like I never thought you could.
Alright, you guys, so now that our beef is in the pot, we are going to add some beef broth to this. Now this is a quick way to make like keto gravy. I'm gonna show y'all. Just keep on watching, okay? We're gonna put about maybe like a cup and a half, I would say, a cup and a half of it. 1 cup of this is 10 calories, and I think it was 1 net carb. So we're just gonna mix that in, and then we're gonna get us a can of, I wanted golden mushroom soup, but I didn't have that. So we're just going to be using this cream of mushroom, which the whole can is 20 net carbs. Remind you, this is 3 meals. Again, calm down. This is going to be the course of over 3 days. So we're going to put this entire can in there. Then we're going to add our 9 carrots. We're going to add a bag of broccoli. And we're going to let this thing simmer on high for about 6 hours, just so our meat can get really, really tender. So do this in the morning and go ahead about your business. But don't burn your house down, because don't be trying to come back like, girl, I burnt my house down listening to you. No. Make sure you is checking on that throughout the day so you do not burn your house down. So go ahead, y'all, get on into it, and I'll come back.
How come it's so easy? It's unlike I ever knew. You say 'cause it's right, believe me, I was designed for you. And for the first time, I'm not looking around, 'cause I'm enough and you're enough. It's safe to say this much, I like it on this side of love. This side of love, I like it on this side of love. This side of love. It sounds cliche.
All right, you guys, so it is about the 5.5 mark. I'm just going to stir this up and leave it in for another half an hour. Then we are going to start to plate it. Look how easy this was, y'all. I put this thing in there in the morning, and then that is it. You can cut the carrots up if you want. I ain't feel like it, y'all. I told y'all, working as a nurse, I got to figure out how to savor my time, y'all. I didn't feel like it. Oh my goodness.
What can I say? You make it damn easy to do. You're a James Dean, Steve McQueen, kinda cool. It could be sunrise or late nights, I'm always laughing with you. I say, how come it's so easy? It's unlike I ever knew. You say 'cause it's right, believe me, I was designed for you.
So here is what it looks like. Listen, y'all, I put this in the fridge because I needed some counter space. So I wanted to show y'all. Look, yes, I'm going in with these crab cakes again. Remember, I got those crab cakes from Aldi's. I'm also going to steam me 2 bags of broccoli, because I am going to be putting these crab cakes in the air fryer and that broccoli in the microwave. I told y'all. This is going to be a short video because this is the reality of it. Listen, I was tired this week, But guess what? I still did my 3-day meal prep so I can still stay on track. So that's what it looked like. We are just going to add some garlic paste to this and some Parmesan cheese. You see 1/4 is only 2 net carbs. So we are just going to add 1/4 to the whole entire bag. And remember, this is in the course of over 3 days.
Side of the fence, but I'm good with what's beneath us. Finally, it all makes sense why he cheated and the other one walked away. Yeah, I see it. I was always meant to reach this place on this side of love with you on this side of love. I say it's unlike I ever knew. You say 'cause it's right, believe me, I was designed for you. And for the first time, I'm not looking around, 'cause I'm enough and you're enough. It's safe to say this much, that I like it on this side of love. Yeah, I like it on this side of love.
All right, you guys, so here is what everything looks like. We got our good crab cakes with our garlic parmesan broccoli. We got our beef and gravy with our cauli rice, carrots, and broccoli. Yes, it looked a little crazy because I had it in the refrigerator. I told you I needed counting space. I also added grapes and cheese. Yes, I know grapes is not keto. You don't have to do that part. You can pick another snack for yourself. I also got me some pickles, some olipop, and some poppy. So get on into it, y'all. Wasn't this video quick? Your girl was not joking when I told y'all I am tired this week. But I'm still getting things done. Anyway, you guys, today was 1,269 calories and it was 39 net carbs. Total carbs was 53 grams. I know. You guys, I have been going over 50 grams with these crab cakes. However, it is all worth it. I am going to get back to going to about maybe 25 to 30 carbs. So next week, I am going to take some time to make that my priority. Because time, y'all, we know about time. That is going to be the end of this video. If you are new here and you stayed this long, please consider subscribing. To my OGs who keep coming back, thank you so much for your love and support. You guys know how I feel about you. And if you have gotten any meal ideas from this video, or you have just simply enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button because it helps YouTube to start pushing my channel a little bit more. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.